At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a PC building business can be an exciting venture for those passionate about technology and customization. With the increasing demand for customized PCs for gaming, content creation, and professional use, there's a significant opportunity in this niche market. However, like any business endeavor, it requires careful planning, execution, and attention to detail. Here are the top 10 tips to help you kickstart your PC building business successfully. Top 10 tips for starting a PC building business. 1. Deep understanding of components. Gain comprehensive knowledge about different PC components, their functionalities, compatibility, and performance metrics. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in technology. 2. Identify your niche. Determine your target market and specialize accordingly. Whether it's gaming enthusiasts, content creators, or businesses requiring custom-built PCs, understanding your niche will help tailor your services effectively. 3. Quality over quantity. Prioritize quality components and craftsmanship over cutting costs. Building a reputation for reliability and performance will garner customer trust and loyalty in the long run. 4. Create a strong brand identity. Develop a compelling brand identity that reflects your expertise and values. Invest in professional branding, including logo design, website development, and marketing materials. 5. Offer customization options. Provide a range of customization options to cater to diverse customer preferences. This could include customizable configurations, aesthetics, and additional services such as overclocking or water cooling. 6. Build relationships with suppliers. Establish strong relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure access to high-quality components at competitive prices. Negotiate bulk discounts and stay informed about industry promotions and deals. 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Deliver outstanding customer service at every stage, from initial inquiries to after-sales support. Be responsive, transparent, and proactive in addressing customer concerns and inquiries. 8. Invest in marketing and promotion. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels to promote your business. This could include social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, attending tech events, and collaborating with influencers or content creators. 9. Streamline operations. Implement efficient processes and systems to streamline your operations, from order management to inventory tracking and assembly. This will help minimize errors, reduce costs, and improve overall productivity. 10. Seek feedback and adapt. Actively seek feedback from customers to identify areas for improvement and innovation. Stay adaptable and responsive to market trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements. Conclusion. Starting a PC building business requires a combination of technical expertise, business acumen, and dedication to customer satisfaction. By following these top 10 tips, you can lay a solid foundation for your venture and position yourself for success in this dynamic and growing industry. Remember to stay passionate, adaptable, and focused on delivering exceptional value to your customers. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.